filming. Wow.
That's where you're coming to take me away.
I'm circling us down. Zombie training!
Wow.
We still recording. They're gonna shoot him down, Daniel!
We gotta get out of here! Oh no!
Get out of here! Look what they're doing!
Back to the Vietnam!
Side.
That is insane fucking hell. Land in Victoria Park is your mission. Right there, getting ready.
Oh, it's coming all down. Oh
Get the
no.
planes passing, Daniel. Which one's coming into land? And there ain't no airport for it to land! Look at
that.
That is insane. That's like the most insane thing I've ever seen.
Jeremy Clarkson's inside the helicopter.
A helicopter like this?
Landing in Victoria Park.
No.
Watch me as me and Hammond land in Victoria Park.
I'm smashing Victoria Park. I've been drinking cider all day. I don't have a day job.
Go to land of fucking... Oh my God.
They're coming round again.
Back, Daniel! Get some! Keep it on visuals. This is gonna be a hit. This is gonna be a hit, Daniel. They're taking us out. Future London Underground was a bit close to the bone. Just because I haven't filed my taxes, though. What's going on? Who is this guy? Who are these guys? What a show off to the party.
Boo you! Boo!
That's amazing, isn't it?
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!